Finnish government let FreeMaziNnamdiKanu go. FreeMaziNnamdiKanu, he haven't committed no crime for anywhere. Is an innocent man who is speaking for the lowest people who doesn't have no voice, who is speaking up on the corrupt country so-called Nigeria, the country that have corrupted you people by bribing Finland. Finland, you are part of them. Once you are supporting this country, you are part of what we are suffering today. You are part of the problem of Biafra. Let FreeMaziNnamdiKanu go, our PM. Free him and let him go now. That is what we are asking you for. Stop aiding evil. Stop aiding evil, Finland government, because of interest of money. Interest of money. Money. Do something that humanity will remember you people for. This Finland government, do something that humanity will remember you for good. Do something humanity will remember you people for good. Finland government, we are asking you, let FreeMaziNnamdiKanu Njoku go. Free him and free him now. You don't have anything that you say that you are investigating or you are questioning. You don't have nothing to question. If you have something to question, go and question that country, that so-called Nigeria, corrupt country that is killing his citizens, that is destroying lives and property. In your own country, is it the way you function? No law, no order. What we ask you, Finland government, free FreeMaziNnamdiKanu, the PM of the Biafran people. Free him and let us suffer one pain. We have a lot of pain. A lot of lives are being destroyed in Biafra land. A lot of lives are being destroyed in Biafra land because of what you people are aiding, because of what Finland government is supporting. You are supporting evil. Once you are supporting this country, so-called Nigeria, heavily corrupt country, you are supporting evil. Free FreeMaziNnamdiKanu and let him go. Let this young man go and fight for his people and stand for the privileged men and the women. That is what we are asking you people. Finland government, do good for humanity to record it. Do good for humanity to record it. Stand on justice, stand on equity, and stand on fairness. That is what Biafran people are asking Finland government.